And I've been working on this Jeep for like the last half a week. I'm so glad it's back together. Oh no. What do you got?
Something.
What are you doing?
Something.
You should... Don't you think we have enough stuff? This ain't for your Jeep, is it? Is this for the Jeep?
just delivered it.
Oh. Okay. Let's show me what you got.
Okay.
You realize we probably added 500 pounds of crap to that Jeep already.
One more thing won't hurt.
Where'd you buy it?
E-trailer.
Yeah. I don't think that's true.
Oh.
You don't even know where you bought it?
We've
Where?
had so much stuff. LOD.
LOD. Oh yeah, I've heard of those guys. Yeah, they make good stuff actually.
Where I got my bumper.
I'd buy their stuff.
Dun 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 dun.
Do they pack it pretty well?
Yes.
What is it?
It is rock sliders for the Jeep.
You say frog sliders?
Rock sliders.
Oh, rock sliders.
Yeah, it's packaged very well. I'll give them that. They do a great job. Look at this packing.
Yeah, that's not bad. Look at that.
Look at that. Who's retired from the gym? Look at that.
All right, let's get this in and work on it. All right.
Sounds good.
So I gotta say, the box it came with, it is definitely heavy. And the rock sliders / running boards we got, they are heavy, but they seem to be built really well. So let's see what we got here. We did have that question when we bought these. Did they come with hardware, or do we have to reuse the existing hardware? Which is an important thing because we're selling the old rock sliders, which are over there. Came with directions. Directions are good. With fancy middle panels and stuff. I'm not sure where those are at. They must be in the box still, or they're in here. Oh, there they are. Oh, look at that. That is pretty cool. There you go. Well, let's put this thing together. The first step is to take off your rock sliders. It's pretty easy, but keep the bolts because you're going to use them later. They're also pretty heavy. Now that we got the parts out, they definitely look pretty good, although we do have one problem with a bolt that we'll talk about in a little bit. The first step is to pull off the nuts that hold on the unibody on your Jeep. Loosen the middle nut, but don't completely remove it, as it will be extremely hard to put back on. These nuts will be reused. Once the rock slider is on, you'll have to use the flag nut to attach to the front. This was a little tricky, and we ended up using an 1¼ inch bolt that we bought from Home Depot. The supplied 1-inch bolt was not long enough, and we could not get it to work. There's also an additional bolt that you can use here in the front, but we did not use that. You have to drill into your frame to use that additional bolt. Putting on the trim is pretty easy. There's a lot of little Allen screws that you need to use to actually get it on, but it just takes some time to get them all done. We think the end result is pretty good and looks really good with our front signature bumper and our back LOD Destroyer bumper. LOD makes a good product, and we're very happy with what we've got both in the front, back, and for our rock sliders. We haven't tested them on trail yet, but we hope to in the next few months.